Shut up and sit down.
Hello there, Simon. Colin here, mate. Festa 67's workshop. Just heard that you're a bit poorly, mate, and quite worried about you there, fella. So I'm just wishing you a really, really speedy recovery so that you can get back at the bench, show the world your beautiful work, and so that us guys can have our fellow E-Models builder back among the fold. On behalf of myself, the Boom Hutters, most of the YouTubers that we all know, and the E-Models team, get well soon, mate. Look forward to seeing you back. Look forward to seeing your work. Keep your spirits up. Keep fighting. Look forward to teaming up with you soon. You take care, my friend. Bye bye.